Hello everyone, Kamal from Truckadium. Trucking is around $800 billion industry in the US. In Canada, it's around $70 to $80 billion industry. Approximately every 2.5 seconds, there's a truck that crosses the US-Canada border. In fact, 70% of the goods that are transported between US and Canada is through road transportation. Mexico is another big trading partner with US and Canada. This means there are a lot of opportunities available for everyone in the trucking industry. You can work as a commercial truck driver, and there's a big shortage of commercial truck drivers in Canada as well as the US. You can work as a truck dispatcher, freight broker agent, logistics coordinator, trucking safety and compliance specialist, and there are many other opportunities available in sales, customer service, and operations management roles. Trucking also offers a lot of opportunities if you want to do your own business. For example, starting your own trucking company or freight brokerage business. It also offers a lot of work from home opportunities like working as an independent truck dispatcher. Independent truck dispatching could be a very low risk option with a lot of flexibility and great earning potential. This is not an extensive list. There are many other career and business opportunities available in the trucking industry other than what I mentioned here. With the technology landscape changing very quickly, there are also a lot of opportunities on the technology side as well. Blockchain, Internet of Things, AI, that is artificial intelligence, self-driving trucks, platooning are some of the hot topics discussed in the trucking industry today. Are you planning to make your first move in the trucking industry? Let me know in the comments.